Hello and namaste. So I just shared this GPT with you guys, the income planner for yoga teachers. I wanted to quickly take you through this and how to use it. So it's basically meant for teachers who want to maybe plan out, their classes, how they should go about it, how many students. If you don't know anything about the kind of plan that you should approach your classes with, this tool can help you out in this. So but if you click on the link, this is what it will open. And then once you go to plan my yoga income goal, it will ask for, let's say, what is the program that you run. So let's say I run a beginner hatha series. Once I hit enter, the GPT will go through it and it will ask me what, let's say, is my offer and for the class. So let's say I run this class at 1500 rupees. It will then ask me what is my income goal by running this 1500 that I want to do. So let's say I want to make 80,000 rupees a month from my classes. And this is the interesting part. It asks what is your energetic minimum income that you want for. So, what is it that will make you feel safe if you're making enough? Okay, so let's say it's 60,000 for me. So, like minimum, at least I should make 60,000 for myself. And then what's your energetic maximum? Like, how much can you make and maybe not feel exhausted or tired and so on? So, let's say maximum, I would like to make 1,50,000. It then asks how much is your capacity. So if you're running classes in a studio and things like that, typically that's a constraint. So let's say I have 30 students in my class, to which then this GPT will work, and it will say that this is your offer price and you have 30 students, and if your minimum income is 60,000 that I want to make, then I need at least 40 clients. And it's explained the calculation as well. And however, if my goal is 80,000 what I want to make, then at least the number of clients that are needed are 54. So then what it's saying is that, or 53, let's say, but obviously 53 can't be. So 54 clients is what it's suggesting. So it's shown the calculation as well. And so if my maximum income that I want to do is 1,50,000, I need at least 100 clients. All right. Now, what will happen is that even if I have a fully booked revenue, I will only be able to make 45,000. So my goal requires 54 clients, but my capacity is only 30. So I have a shortfall of 24 clients that needs to be covered up. So then it gives you suggestions as to how or what can be done so that you can start reaching that income amount. All right. So for example, it gives you advice ki, okay, fine, maybe you can run weekend batches, maybe you can increase the size of the group slightly, maybe you can offer the same class online. Now this is an interesting one. I have seen a couple of yoga teachers who take a live class and then parallelly run like a webcam kind of a situation where they can play the class online as well, or do a recorded or a hybrid version that you can sell online. Or what you can start doing is, or rather what I can start doing in this case is that I can also do private sessions which I can price a little higher. So therefore then, how to kind of reach that amount, and therefore what should be the fee that I need to do, and therefore what is the potential revenue that can be done. So it gives you like a goal that, how can you go through that entire process of earning 80,000 if nothing changes, let's say, in your capacity, or you don't introduce any other classes, or if for whatever reason you're not able to implement any of the suggestions it takes. So it's a very, very interesting tool that I would recommend you should go through and see how it goes for you. Bye.